that's on the aircraft that first intoxicated. Apparently, they weren't wearing their seatbelt and they kept throwing up. Flight attendant asked them why not wearing their seatbelt. Then they got into flight attendant chases and they needed a way for the plane to happen.
On the 22nd of August 2025, officers were dispatched to a Florida airport after flight crew reported an intoxicated passenger who refused to wear a seatbelt, was vomiting, and was physically approaching crew members aboard the aircraft. What followed raised serious questions about use of force, the lawfulness of the underlying arrest, and the duty to provide medical attention in custody. The initial probable cause was legally sound. Flight crew reports of intoxication, physical disruption, and failure to comply. With seatbelt requirements established reasonable grounds for intervention. Critically, conduct aboard a commercial aircraft also triggers potential federal jurisdiction under 49 U.S.C. Section 46-318, the federal prohibition on interference with flight crew. Under Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 1, 1968, officers may detain an individual when specific and articulable facts support reasonable suspicion of criminal activity. Here, the flight crew's first-hand account met that standard. Officers coordinated the deboarding of other passengers before engaging the subject, a tactically sound decision that limited civilian exposure.
So real quick, are they cooperative enough where you guys can bring them off the aircraft, or do we need to keep playing the aircraft?
Well, she said that she doesn't want to get them off until you guys get here.
Okay, so if you guys want to bring him off, that's fine. If not, we need to deboard.
Okay, so you just speak with them and then see exactly.
Okay.
And he's physically coming towards them and giving them a hard time, kind of falling over. So it's probably best if we deboard them.
Yeah, we need to be playing. Yeah, we're not gonna go in there and get in with people on board the aircraft.
Man, we're gonna be
Hey, quick question. Are we getting everybody off? Or just him?
Try again. You had a background.
So if we can get everybody off and just leave him on there, we can go in there and deal with him. Or if he walks out with everybody, we can get him right then. It doesn't matter. Either way,
Or
doesn't.
can we just get him? Yeah, that's what
We
I
just
said.
need somebody to point him out to us whenever he
Or
if he
can we
does.
try and see if we could just get him off?
Yeah. If you guys can get him off,
Yeah,
that's fine.
Yeah, let's get him off. Yeah. We'll get him.
They almost do with airport police. Why don't we go over here?
He has a bag.
Yeah.
Okay.
Identified his bag.
You need to
Are
what?
y'all filming?
Identified his bag. Can you just ask him how does his bag look? So I can grab his bag really quick, please.
Hey, my man. Hey, hold up just a second. Hey, what bag is where was your bag at where you were sitting?
up top.
It was up top. What's it look like?
Give me 2 seconds.
Is it a backpack?
Yeah.
What color is it?
If you hadn't already, go ahead and print you a couple calls for
Black and red.
Black and red.
Black and red.
Backpack.
Yeah.
I think this is your stuff.
Okay. Hey, my man.
Yeah.
Is this your stuff
Yes,
here?
this is all my stuff.
Okay.
This is all my stuff. Promise.
What are you looking for? I'm just trying to get home. Where's home for you? Down here? Down the jet bridge? Okay. Well, what's down there?
It's my home.
Is your home?
Yes.
Okay.
I would not be doing this with you.
Are you want to grab
Yeah.
this bag? Or?
I'm gonna.
Okay.
I'll grab the bag if y'all are.
All right, well, let's walk down here.
If y'all are f***ed up, let's go. Let's walk.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't need you children acting like this.
Wait.
I'm fucking going home
Late.
tonight. I'm going home tonight.
Hey, do me a favor.
No, I know, and that's what I want you to do.
Okay. So here's what we're gonna do. Okay. Get your hands behind your back for me.
Let's do it.
All right.
When officers attempted to handcuff the subject, he resisted. All use of force claims are analyzed under Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1989. That standard asks 3 questions. How severe was the crime? Did the subject pose an immediate threat? Was the subject actively resisting? Here, all 3 factors pointed toward justifying physical control. However, during the struggle, the subject made repeated, specific complaints of pain to his wrist, arm, and the back of his head, all captured on body cam. Under City of Revere versus Massachusetts General Hospital, 463 U.S. 239, 1983, officers are obligated to provide medical attention to detainees who suffer injuries in custody. Medical attention was not confirmed on camera until approximately 9 minutes in. The underlying charge of resisting arrest is only valid if the arrest itself was lawful. Under Florida statute section 843, 0-2, resisting an officer without violence requires a lawful law enforcement action. Given the flight crew's first-hand account and officers' own observations, the underlying arrest was legally supported. The resisting charge stands. At approximately 6 minutes into the footage, the subject stated on camera that he would, quote, shoot the officers. Under Florida statute section 836, 0-5, making a verbal threat to commit violence against another person, communicated in a manner that places them in reasonable fear, constitutes a criminal threat, a standalone felony offense. This statement, captured on bodycam audio, independently supports an additional charge. That threat also affected the use of force analysis under Graham. Tennessee versus Garner, 471 U.S. 1, 1985, permits elevated force when an officer has probable cause to believe the suspect poses a significant threat of death or serious bodily harm. An intoxicated, actively resisting subject who has verbally threatened to shoot officers represents a materially elevated threat profile, even absent a visible weapon. Officers receive a C+. The initial approach was patient, coordinated, and non-aggressive. However, the 4-minute restraint struggle proceeded, with no audible de-escalation commands on camera. The delay in providing medical attention to a subject making specific, repeated injury complaints is a policy compliance failure that may be the basis of civil liability under Section 1983. The subject receives a C-. His conduct on the aircraft initiated the encounter. He actively resisted during handcuffing, kicked officers, and made a verbal threat to shoot law enforcement, a standalone criminal offense on bodycam. His statement that the arrest was, quote, 100% good law, reflects a fundamental misunderstanding of the legal standard. 2 lessons from this incident. 1. A resisting arrest charge is only as strong as the underlying arrest. In this case, the underlying probable cause was solid, but officers should verbally establish the legal basis for arrest on camera at the moment of restraint. 2. Any verbal threat made to law enforcement during an arrest is a separate criminal offense captured in real time on bodycam. Subjects should understand that silence is always the safer legal position. He was charged with disorderly conduct and resisting arrest. Given the verbal threat on camera and the federal jurisdiction issue, additional charges were legally available but not pursued. Any civil claim for injury would face the Graham reasonableness standard, and the subject's active resistance throughout the encounter significantly limits that avenue of relief.
So we're gonna be arrested right now for
What for what?
For
No.
looking.
No.
Hey,
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 by law! By law, I've not touched it! I've not touched any of these guys! Hey, I've not touched them! I've not touched them! Hey, this is by law! This is... I did not touch you! I did not touch you, dude! Relax! Dude, tase me then! Relax! Tase me then, bro! I did not do this! What the f are you doing? What the... Dude, what the... Whoa! What the... Relax. Relax. What the... I can't relax when you're on me like this, dude! What the... Stop moving. Y'all better... Hey, you better get the law, dude. Hey, you better get the law. You better get the law. Hey, this is... You're... This is bullshit. This is bullshit. And you know it. You know it. You all know this is bullshit. This is bullshit. This is so much of a lie. Oh my god. What the...
Just relax.
I'm trying to, dude. You're...
Alright, are you gonna relax?
I'm trying to.
Alright, don't move. Then don't move.
You're breaking my goddamn... Wait, dude. What the?
Relax.
Stop. I'm not. Ah! 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 He's breaking my arm. He's breaking my arm.
I'm not even touching him.
Ah! Yes, you are.
Relax.
Dude, I can't relax with you on me. What the? Get off of me. Get off. Get off. Ah! God damn it. Somebody. God damn it. What the? Yes. This is against law. This is 100% against law. This is 100% against law. I'm gonna do this.
Chair.
I'm gonna do you. I'm gonna do this. I'm not even touching you. You're hurting me. What the is this? Oh, goddamn! Call 911.
Stop resisting.
Dude, I'm not resisting. What the you doing to me? Dude, for real, get the off. I'm not doing anything, bro.
My freaking hip blood.
What the? Please get off
I've been
of
nursing
me.
this injury for 5 weeks.
This is bullshit.
I'm gonna be reopened. 749.
Dude, I
Gonna be
literally
in
just
handcuffs.
come up in this shit. Yes. I promise you, you gotta
Hey,
stop.
will you step
Hey,
in?
quit kicking.
Will you step in? I'm in.
Stop doing this. What the are y'all doing? I'm gonna see the. Yo, stop. I promise you. You're so. Hey, I need somebody. I need somebody. My God. Come on, dude. What the is this?
Hey, we're gonna set you up, okay?
Yeah.
Stand up. Stand up.
Stand up. Stand up. We're gonna sit you in the chair. Bring it over.
Hey, my back, the back of my arm, the back of my arm, the back of my arm,
Lay down, bro.
No, my arm, my ears hurt, why is it hurt? No, it hurt. Why does it hurt? You're pushing on me, dude. I'm not trying to. I'm not trying to, dude. I'm not trying to. I'm sitting down. Take my arms. 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 Take it hurts. It hurts. Ow! It hurts, dude. It hurts. It hurts. I would not be doing this to you. What the? Bro, what the? Dude, no, bro, I'm not fighting y'all. Dude, I'm trying to get you in my spot. Bro, you know this, dog. Come on, bro. I'm sitting right next to you, dude. There's no way. Don't tell me I did this. No way I did this. No way I did this. No way I did this, bro.
Which one?
Come on. Hey, bro. Hey, bro. There's no way I did this. There's no way. Dog, there's no way I did this. Hey. Hey. There's no way, bro. We're gonna stand you up and get in the car, okay?
You have anything on you?
I can't move these legs.
Yeah,
I can't move these legs. So you gotta help me. We're gonna help me stand
I don't know.
up.
That's-
I
no,
can't
man,
move
that's
these.
a-
Hold on real quick.
Hey, quit moving. Hold on.
Yep.
Go get the stuff out
I know. I know. That's why I'm telling y'all I can't move.
Oh, that's gonna happen.
It's gonna
That's
have
not
to
your
happen.
choice.
It's gonna happen. No, it's gonna have to happen. I understand. Hey, my arm. Hey, hold on. My arm.
I think we got medics coming to check him out.
Stop. There. Stop. Please help me. Please help me, guys.
Get your finger out of there.
That's what I want. I want help. Please.
If I were to walk up and to try to talk to you, you know you would put me down.
Okay. I just.
Like if I were to step up.
Let's not do that.
No, I'm asking. If I were to step up and ask and talk, just to talk to you, would you treat me with that respect, or would you put me down?
I treat everybody with respect.
Swear to God.
I respectfully put you back down.
Where the y'all been?
We got called late.
Dude, where the y'all been?
We've been hanging out, man.
Man, God showed up.
Good luck, brother.
Hey,
Hey, appreciate it, dog.
I'm trying to hit you.
Hey, get better, man. All
I'm
right.
trying to, brother.
You got it.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm wiggly room.
I'm gonna get you up.
Oh shit! Was not expecting that.
There you go.
Was not expecting that. I got y'all, dog. Let me get my goddamn arm, dude. No, my arm is stuck. Let me move my
Adjust it.
Yeah, that's not what I do. Hold on. I'm not stuck. I need to get this removed.
That's not gonna come off.
I know. There's no way for me to do this? I'm stuck right there.
Yeah, well.
This is it, brother?
Yep.
All right.